Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you this simple routine that I use to keep my hair super moisturized during the winter season. So if you want to keep your hair moisturized and keep it from drying out, take a seat and let's begin, guys. So this is my hair. I just took out my protective style. As you can see, it's really dry. So I'm going to start by spraying in a little bit of water to just hydrate it. And while I'm on that, guys, if this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell beside it so you get notified when I upload new videos. So after spraying my hair with some water, I'm gonna go ahead and massage it very well into my hair to keep it hydrated before I begin my wash day. So I will just massage the water into my scalp and then I'll move on to the next step. The next step that I'm going to be doing is Prepoo. This is the oil that I made. It's an oil combination of aloe vera, amla and some other natural ingredients, and it's on my previous video how I made that oil combination, so I'm going to be using it as my Prepoo. If you have natural hair and you want to keep your hair from drying out, you want to keep it healthy, you should introduce Prepoo to your natural hair routine, because this will help your hair stay hydrated and it also helps to grow your hair. So don't mind my bald spot. I'm going through a little bit of shedding because of postpartum hair shedding, and I'm using this routine to try to maintain my hair from breaking out, and it is helping. As you can see, they're all growing back. So I'm growing back my edges and the hair that I lost due to postpartum hair loss. So this Prepoo, I'm going to be applying it to my scalp. As you can see, first I start with the scalp and then I work my way to the strand and to my ends. You want to apply it to your entire hair. You don't want to apply it to just the root. You need to apply it to your strand too, because your strand, they also need the nutrients. So I'm going to be applying this to the entire section of my hair. So just enjoy a little bit of music while I apply this to my hair. So once I'm done applying the Prepoo to my hair, I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic bag and then I wrap it up and leave it in for 1 hour. So this is my hair after 1 hour of leaving in my Prepoo. As you can see, my hair is super moisturized and it's looking shiny. So I'm going to go ahead next and wash it out with my regular shampoo, and I'll be using some hot water to wash it out. I'm not going to be washing it directly on the shower because the weather is so cold and I'm not about to take my bath, so I just decided to wash it this way. So I just applied my regular shampoo on my scalp, and then I massage and scrub my scalp very gently. So I just speed up the video a little bit as well. It seems I'm fast, so I actually did this gently. So I'm done washing out the oil from my hair, and the second step that I'm going to be doing now is to deep condition my hair, and I'll be doing that in sections. So I'm just going to try and section my hair. Then for my next step, I'm going to go ahead and apply my hair treatment. This hair treatment is made from banana, amla and moringa with some olive oil and essential oil. I did this treatment on my previous video. If you want to go see how I made the treatment, is on my previous video. So I'll be applying this on my hair, and then once I'm done applying it to my strand and the roots of my hair, I'm gonna moisturize it with it and treat it as well. As you can see, this is the hair mask after applying it to my entire hair. I'm gonna be leaving this mask on my hair for an hour, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how my hair look after washing out the mask from my hair. This is how my hair is looking after washing off the treatment mask. As you can see, my hair is looking shiny and the scalp is looking very clean. The strand is well moisturized and very soft. Next, I'm going to go in with my normal conditioner. This is a leave-in splash wash off conditioner. I'm going to be using this in case there is any mask left on my hair, in case I have any residual mask on my hair. This is also a hair bar conditioner. You can use a normal conditioner as well. You want to use conditioner after using any hair mask because that will help to wash it off and also to enrich the treatment that you just made. So you need to apply a regular conditioner after using a hair mask. So I'll be detangling my hair in the process while applying this conditioner on my hair. It will make it soft and easy for me to detangle. So I'll be doing this to the entire section of my hair. Once I'm done applying it, I'm going to leave it on for another 10 minutes and then I wash it off. So this is my hair after washing off the regular conditioner. Next, I'm going to be adding my my leave-in conditioner and sealing in moisture. That's the final step of my wash day. So I'm going to be doing that next. But as you can see, guys, just take a look at this hair. It's looking so fluffy and soft. So I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. I have this Cantu leave-in conditioner and I'll be using this as my leave-in conditioner. So I'll just take a little bit of it and then add to the front section of my hair and then moisturize it into my hair. Once I'm done adding the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to seal in moisture using this castor oil and blue magic combination that I made. It's also on my previous video, and I'm going to be using this to seal in moisture after applying my leave-in conditioner. This way the moisture will stay in my hair for longer time. So I'll be doing this also to the entire section of my hair, and then I'll be putting my hair in a low tension protective style. So finally, guys, this is my hair after everything. So I'm done with my wash day and my hair is in a protective style, well moisturized and hydrated. Can decide to leave my hair like this for weeks, like 2 to 3 weeks, and it will stay moisturized. So to keep your hair from drying out this winter, just follow this simple moisturizing routine and you're good to go. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Talk to you on my next video. Bye bye.